Why doesn't play around like that?
I know what happens. You brought the cooler, right? Oh my god, I feel a great Bill Ann video coming up.
This is gonna make me this is gonna be like 10 more subscribers. It'll probably lose me 5 other subscribers.
Where's the headlock?
10 new ones, but you lose 44 the other one.
Shaggy be like, I unsubscribed.
Let me do that right now.
Well, your videos won't be going on the channel anytime soon. Not that I was planning to put them up anyway.
Oh.
You know, for all the grief he gets, he's gonna have to be able to give back some.
Yeah, see? Ooh,
This is the one I want. That's the head.
Ah, you'll see the dampers, the head of the...
I found it. Yeah, that's wash plate. Everything's wrapped up.
Choice to canopy.
Nice.
There we go.
Done.
Oh, no! Oh, you're dead to me. Press that button, you're dead
The
to me.
fin comes white? I thought you painted it. Cool.
Oh no, it's painted.
Oh, that was here. No, the main shaft. Oh, you're putting it on, rearranging it.
Putting it back together.
He just wants the head.
Frames are, other frames are here. That was there.
Nicely done. Did you sand all the frames when you built it?
Yeah. Most of the parts that mattered.
And these were on top.
Can we see the canopy?
Getting there.
All right.
Getting there, good sir.
Good sir.
Good
Why,
sir.
why are you so...
So
see the
formal.
framings?
Let me get over here, Shaggy. I need a good lighting.
You know, I've never been in a Bill Ann video. This could be a first for me.
Yes, you have.
Don't
You were
do it.
in one of the first ones. You just don't
Yeah, but
remember.
that's before you were famous.
That's true. Semi-famous.
Probably give that the sense if you crack
That
this
canopy's
didn't
really
Ooh,
all the
nice.
vibration.
Wow. Oh, that looks
Put it on
nice.
your head.
Look at that.
very
Put it on your
nice.
head.
Straight to the head. Nah.
Straight to the head.
Wow. Do it, do it. Do it.
Nice. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wait, look at that.
That's what I'm saying.
It even
Wow.
comes with the grommets in.
Nice.
That's the thumbnail.
Nice.
That's the thumbnail.
Nice one-piece landing gear. Very light.
Yeah, it looks like. I like that. That's Japanese style landing gear.
Yes,
that's
it
the
is.
best. That's
Yeah.
my type.
Japanese.
He's gonna have to redub all the audio.
Yes, like none of this can be used. Ooh, fancy. The boom is nice too. It's like a
Yeah, we'll grab that out.
yeah, that's a sweet looking boom.
Power build tonight.
One thing I do thoroughly enjoy
Yeah.
is put that there.
Like how he slid that thing out.
He's a pro at that.
No, he's not a pro at sliding it out. He's a pro sliding it
We
in.
need more dubbing.
Alrighty.
You know, knife.
I do.
Oh yeah, that's. I gotta take that out. The whole video is just gonna be Rob putting the canopy on his head. That's one thing I can show.
Well, you know, at least they warn you here. All parts are false assembly in factory. Make sure to apply a little glue on screws and tighten them. At least they let you know.
The thing I enjoy is that the boom supports are built.
Wow.
Knife again?
That's nice. That's a big sticker.
Boom supports are built.
So I'll give it the ooh ah. Nicely done.
You gotta take the canopy out of the bag though. We gotta see the.
I did.
Nice. No, out of the bag, out of the bag.
I took it out of the
It
bag.
was out of
Did
the
you?
bag.
Yeah, had it
Oh.
on my head.
He
and
put it on
everything.
his head.
No, not the canopy. Oh man, the boom.
These are-
the boom. I'm sorry.
Oh,
This is really light. This is nice.
Yeah. Is that carbon
Big boom
fiber or
supports.
is that metal?
carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber. It's a nice. Yeah. That. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that.
Wow, that's light.
Here we go.
Can you see me?
Can you see me?
I can see you.
That'd be a great
That's
video.
very light.
Great video. Just right down the.
That's another thumbnail.
No, it also it gets it's drilled for all the
Drilled.
pinning.
Oh yeah, it's already drilled. Nice.
Here too.
Oh my god.
Dogs are making for good audio.
One loose water bottle, and they and they found it to fight over it. That's my water bottle. No, that's my water bottle.
It was funny when they were making friends. They weren't very friendly with each other, and then they're best friends.
That's hilarious.
So that's basically
Basically it.
that's it.